everyone! Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a recipe from one of the resources I've shared with you before in the past. It's from the Bariatric Foodie Guide to Perfect Protein Shakes from Massie. She is a previous Roux-en-Y gastric bypass patient and she has a blog as well. Lots of good resources. Today we're going to make the Neopolitan ice cream recipe. It's a protein drink. Let me show you how it's done. So the first step is to grab your favorite milkshake blender. I have this Ninja brand, which is the smoothie option from the Ninja brand. And I'm going to put 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. So we're going to add the dry ingredients first. That is 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. And you're going to add your preferred sweetener, 0-calorie sweetener. I'm starting with 3 packets of Splenda. And the recipe really calls for 3 to 5. So I start with in the low end, just to make sure it's not overly sweet. But remember, this is to taste. So if you need to do less or you need to do more than that, that's up to you. So we're going to add the 8 ounces of milk, your preferred milk of choice, of course. If you go with cow's milk, it's going to be closer to a truer Neapolitan taste, but you could use a milk alternative if you wanted to. And now we're going to blend this for 2 minutes, 2 full minutes. So I actually have my phone here and I'm going to set up an alarm. I'm going to do the stopwatch and make sure that I'm doing this for 2 minutes. Wow, that felt like a really long time. That's why I wanted to make sure to put my timer there. According to the author, Nick, this is part of the steps. It's an important step to make your shake nice and thick and prevent it from being overly frothy. All right, and then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1 cup of frozen strawberries. And I'm gonna add enough ice cubes that we're going to see some, well, they're already popping on the top, but just about maybe 5 ice cubes. And we're going to blend this until all the ice is crushed. Perfect. I don't know exactly how long that was, but I pretty much continued blending it until I no longer heard the ice cubes hitting the side of my blender. So once it was silent, that's when I stopped. So now we're going to transfer this to a glass and enjoy. Okay. Wow, look at how thick this is. It's taking a while to actually go down, which is great because it's closer to that ice cream consistency. Oh my gosh, the texture of this looks amazing. And I know I didn't taste it. I probably should have tasted it first and then see if it needed more of the sweetener. But I'm guessing 3 packets is probably more than enough, especially because the vanilla the vanilla protein powder has its own sweetener in it as well. And this is so thick, I think this is even better to be eaten with a spoon. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Yummy. That's really good. Highly recommend it. You see how easy that was? And just a little side note, if you don't want your drink to be so thick, just don't add the ice cubes and let the drink settle for a little bit before drinking. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.